Hi everyone, I hope you're all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to live into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you. Sorry I wasn't in yesterday making any videos because I was under the weather, so I was just taking a bit of time out, just chilling. Right now, XRP. I have been posting on Twitter. Okay, I do post on Twitter quite a lot, to be honest with you. What have we got at the moment? Oh, nearly 100,000 followers, which is amazing. You know, I only had a couple of hundred in March when I first started this thing. But right now, you know, like I said to you, time in the market. Look at XRP, still here, regardless of the hate and the FUD, you know. And even at the start of this bull run, in the start of the year, when I was covering these projects, I was still covering XRP when no one wanted to know about it. Everyone thought it was a load of shit. But you know what? XRP's done better than Bitcoin this year. And people don't realise that, but it has. You know, it has done a better and a hell of a lot of projects as well. You know, at the start of the year, it was way down there at like 15, 20 cents, I think it was. And it's just, you know, it's doing really well. You know, it's slowly going upstairs, isn't it? Which is what you want to see. You know, so historically, if we look at XRP, it's been around the block. It's still here. It's still standing strong, and it's still currently sitting in 8th place at the moment. Given this image, anyway, I've not checked it today, but you know, you're still here. You're still there. Yeah, and regardless of the FUD and regardless of the hate campaign and everything that's going on with it, it's still here because it's amazing technology. Period. Okay, so you look at that. You know, I wish you could go back to 2014 and buy XRP at 1 cent. You know, even here, go back and buy it 25 cents way back in the previous December 2017. And right now, in this current December, it's 80 cents. It's actually gone up a little bit, hasn't it? It's had a nice little upside at the moment. So yeah, that's what I mean. It's time in the market, over time in the market with these projects. Okay, if you have faith and belief in the project that you're investing in, then again, it's time in the market beats timing in the market. Okay, so let's take a look at charts for XRP and see what we can see. Okay. So with XRP on the 4-hourly time frame, we do look like we're putting in some kind of nice move at the moment. But what we was anticipating, well, me personally, what I was anticipating is a little bit of a breakdown, and I think there was a bit of a head and shoulders pattern on the hourly time frame just there, and we did have a technical breakdown target from there to there. And like I said to you, when you lose support, you've got a nice little short up down there. It did roll, but it found support on this trend line. Okay, so the technical target didn't get met. You know, probably a little bit too greedy. Someone did post, don't use the full wick, use the candle body. Okay, so look at that. Let's have a look. So probably been a bit too greedy. And thank you for. I've never even thought of doing that. You know, but that was a nice little tip because look at that. Boom, boom. Target met. Okay, so when we see these head and shoulders pattern, I'm not going to use the wick anymore. I'm going to use the body because look at that. That body. You see the body closed just there. Okay, boom. See that target met when we lost support. It came down like on the nose. So thank you for that information. And right now, you know, you have held the support of this beautiful double bottom. You're creating these high lows, what we're anticipating here, and these are the reversal patterns that you want to see. And you know, you did break out here as well. You ran into that, created that little high, and then you've come back and you've held the support. And right now, potentially, if you do start to break out this little resistance just there, which you've been running into, look, resistance, 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 support, lost it, came back down, held the support of this ascending trend line of a W bottom pattern. Now, right now, you're on the cusp of breaking out again. So if you can start to come back up here and close above 84.054, you are going to be another technical target up here. Now, one thing I want to see for XRP, okay, because it's a confirmation, because it's beautiful W bottom that you're starting to form here for XRP, okay. Now, if you start to break up out of here, this trend line, you've got equally a large W bottom pattern like that, and that equally has a breakout target from there to there. And you can see once you break out, boom, you're starting to come back up the stairs here and attack this white line, which is what we're looking for, isn't it? The break of the resistance, break out that resistance on the weekly close above, and you're looking at a beautiful impulsive break for XRP here to the upside. So this is progress. This is what you want to see, and hopefully this wick here, you know, just like it does, if you look at it, it shows strength. Do you understand that? Strength. And like I says, look, you see this green line here, this is the golden ratio. This is where you ran into resistance and failed to close above it on the 4-hour. You was holding a support just there, but then you rolled, you lost it, so you come all the way back down to this green line, which is the 050. You zoom out, I'll show you in a moment, but you caught between them at the moment. So what you do need to see, obviously, is this beautiful W bottom pattern come up, get the close above this green line, okay? If you can close, because you're struggling to close there, if you can close above that, that in itself is amazing. So that level of resistance just down the golden ratio is 91 cents. So if XRP can break out here, come up to this technical target of this ascending triangle, okay, again, another retest of this level of resistance just there at 93 9.49 and get the close above that 9.1. Wow, this is looking really good, because potentially you're forming that beautiful big W bottom pattern on the daily, which is what I've been anticipating, with that key level resistance, and with that you're in a technical break target, which I would imagine is this white line. Okay, so from here right now, you know, that's a beautiful continuation of around about 38% for XRP. You know, this is all tradable on Bybit. Each and every single video description that I upload now has got a link to Bybit on it, okay, which offer a fantastic offer on you know, your deposits and all that. But again, nothing to say is financial advice, for educational entertainment purposes only, but Bybit's a fantastic exchange. If you're not already using it, definitely get involved right now, okay? For numerous reasons, not just because it's a great exchange, but they do offer some fantastic altcoin gems that we're going to be keeping an eye on over the next few months, okay? So there was one on there the other day that listed, and it did a 20x in a day. You know, it was so unfortunate we didn't get involved in that, but I will try and keep you updated and bring those to your attention as and when they come. So yeah, you're looking quite tasty here, and again, if you get the close above this, you're looking at a technical break target up to this white line again. So it's all good basically, and we're looking for this W bottom pattern, aren't we, on the daily time frame. And you can see, like I said to you, if you start to zoom out, you're beginning to sort of put the legwork in for that particular pattern. And like I said to you, if you can get the close above there, you'll be in a larger W bottom technical break target, which will give you an upside, retesting that line, and with that you're getting back above these EMAs on the daily, you know, and retesting the key level resistance. Now what we do need to see here for XRP is a close back above this red line, and you're putting in legwork for that today. That's amazing. So we're going to get a close this evening, morning for some of you, but it's the evening here in the UK, just here, okay, which was, it's basically UK time. So you get a close above this 55 EMA today will be absolutely golden, okay, and then start next week and start to come back upstairs, start to get back above the weekly 20, and I would imagine you know, once you start to close above that level of resistance just there, you come up like this and you begin to close above that. Boom, that's all systems going. You're looking at $4.50 minimal in this bull run for XRP, okay? And just like I said to you, time in the market beats time in the market, and we're looking to sort of go up the stairs basically and put in that impulsive break. But, you know, full transparency here, look at this apex, could get a bit choppy again. We did get really, really close to another horizontal, didn't we? Just here for XRP, just there, like that. That's a horizontal that we're forming. Just there, and you can see we actually lost that support, and it did get relatively close to the apex, just like that, before it lost support, came down, held a key level support, and that's actually acting as a key level resistance that it's run into just there of that horizontal. So again, get back into it, and this could be classed as a little bit of throwback. Come back into that, and then you're looking at the breakout there for XRP. It's all about this level of resistance, okay? Come to your charts, draw this weekly level of resistance just there. Once you see your XRP closing above this white line on the weekly, wow, that's amazing, because look, if we did it over here in the previous horizontal that we created from there to there, and we started to come back up, resistance fell back to support numerous times, start to come back up, we got the close above, and that was all systems go. And the next week we put in a beautiful impulsive break, and you know, from that point there, when we got that close, wow, you know, we actually went up and met that technical target that gave everybody a 243% for XRP. So let's keep an eye on XRP, okay? It is breaking out at the moment, but we need to see the close above this red line to get the confirmation that the bulls are starting to step in there and take control, and we're looking at some explosive upside for XRP moving forward. One other thing I must tell you, that if you do roll, come to your charts, put some cheeky bids on this white trend line, okay, because I do think it'll be fruitful, and essentially still coiling up before breaking out. Lackluster, I know, frustrating, I know, but like I said to you so many times, patience is key with XRP, okay? Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, back tomorrow with another XRP update. Bye bye.